As per Indian Meteorological Department officials, Goa is expected to be hit by a heat wave from May 8 to May 14. During the recent years, several states have witnessed unprecedented high temperatures leading to heat strokes and heat-related deaths. Although entire general population is at risk, elderly and children are particularly more susceptible. This makes prevention and management of heat strokes an important and imperative need. Hence, public needs to take a note of the following and take appropriate prevention measures. Here are some of the precautions which needs to be taken during the heat wave. Wear lightweight, light-colored and loose-fitting clothing. Keep the house well ventilated, especially the cooking area. Keep the doors and windows open. During the hottest part of the day, cover the windows with curtain, cloth, bedsheet, etc. To prevent dehydration, drink at least 8 glasses of water, fruit juice, buttermilk or other fluids daily. Avoid vigorous physical activities in hot and humid weather. Where possible, avoid going out during the hottest part of the day, that is early and late afternoons. Take additional precautions when working outdoors in the field or exercising. Drink water, juice, etc. even not thirsty. Houses with tin roofs tends to get hotter. Take extra precautions in such a case. Avoid alcohol during this time. Babies who are exclusively breastfed may need extra breastfeeds in hot weather. Children above 6 months of age who have started complementary feeding can be given small amounts of cool, boiled water between feeds. Choose the coolest part in the house for babies or young children to sleep. Give young children over 6 months of age regular fluids throughout the day. Children should be prevented from playing outside in sun during peak hours of the day. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and never miss any update.